Hello everyone. Showing payment dates in the Invoice List view module will enhances the invoicing management process by displaying a payment date directly in the list view. This allows user to quickly track when invoices and also the credit notes, refunds, vendor bills has been paid, and also it improves a financial visibility and efficiencies. Now, after installing this module, let's get into an invoice. So, where you can see the invoices which we have created. Along with that, you can see the customer name and also when the payment is done, and also the invoice will be created. Now, let's create a new one. So, here in this, let's add a customer name and let's add an invoice date as a March 1st. Okay, and in this product, I'm adding the product, just I'm confirming the order, and you can see that it will be the posted state. Now let's do the payment over here. So the invoice will be done on March 1st and the payment will be done on today. So when we get into an invoice list view, where you can see, and this is the order which we have created, and you can see the payment date and also the invoice date. This functionality is working in the invoice. Now let's get into the credit note. So now let's create a new credit note. Over here I'm just adding customer, just I'm adding a vendor date, invoice date, and also we can add an invoice lines. Okay, now just confirming the order, just doing the register payment now. So over here in this, you can see the amount will be paid on today and the invoice date will be on 1st of March. You can see that this is the one we have created, payment date and also the invoice date, which is same for bills as well. So just creating a new bill for your reference. Now I'm adding the bill date as 1st of March, and here I'm adding the product. Okay, just I'm adding the price as 100. Now let's confirm register payment and done the payment. So if I get into the list view of the bills, you can see the payment date and also the bill date. Okay, so like the same way, you can just see the same in the refund as well. So I'm just creating a new refund. I'm doing on 1st of March, and here in this I'm adding the product, and let's add the price too. Let's confirm, do the payment, everything. Now if I get into the refund list view, where you can see the bill date as well as the payment date. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.